In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser, search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can take your prompt. Click on Create button. Prompt in the description. Click on Image to preview. Click on Arrow button to preview another image. If you want to download this, simply click on Download here, and you will get image without any watermark. Let's try another sample. Click on Create button. Click on Image to preview. Simply click on Download here. Click on Arrow button to preview another image. If you're interested in more AI tutorials, subscribe to my new channel. I'm sharing new tutorials and prompts daily.